Confused by hundreds of education consultancies? You're not alone. But what if you could compare them all in one safe place, with student reviews, ratings, and verified badges? Let's find out how MOBEECO can save your time, money, and future. In Nepal, choosing the wrong consultancy has left thousands of students scammed, confused, or rejected. From fake promises to missing documents, the struggle is real. But now, it doesn't have to be. MOBEECO is Nepal's first edtech platform built for you, students dreaming of studying abroad. It connects you to genuine consultancies, scholarship info, expert advice, and even cashback rewards. With MOBEECO, you can compare verified consultancies side by side. Check reviews, see what services they offer, view success rates, and even explore their service charges. No more hidden fees or fake reviews. Only verified consultancies get the MOBEECO Shield, awarded based on documents, student results, and transparency. Look for the green check, your sign of safety.
I almost chose a fake consultancy. MOBEECO helped me pick the right one, and now I'm in Sydney.
Hear it from others who were once in your shoes. Real stories, real results. Compare, chat, upload, and even track your application, all inside one app. MOBEECO makes it simple, fast, and secure. We're all about trust. MOBEECO not only verifies your consultancy, but gives cashback rewards for successful applications. Why? Because your success is our goal. Why spend weeks going door to door? Just open MOBEECO, filter what you need, and book a call with verified experts instantly. Study abroad, simplified. The right consultancy equals sign the right future. Don't risk it. Use MOBEECO to compare, verify, and choose wisely. Because your dream deserves the best guidance. Thank you for watching. For more tips, student stories, and smart tools, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow MOBEECO on social media.